Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic, a clinic that is open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective and comprehensive treatments in the country. And this technology really is the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
Yes, that's right. Now, a man with erectile dysfunction, he's pretty used to the pill. I'm yet to meet anybody that enjoys that process. Taking a pill, going to the pharmacy. Well, we have a breakthrough. Pineview Medical Clinic uses a technology called wave therapy. Here's what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, causing those shriveled up blood vessels to open up and expand. Finally, after 30 years of the pill, we're treating the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction, and we've helped men of pretty much every age get back to normal function in the bedroom, get the spontaneity restored, and we do it without the pill.
And you all are treating this medical condition with shockwave therapy that's needle-free, surgery-free, and drug-free.
That's exactly right. And all of those things you mentioned, the surgery, the pills, the needles, those go to the symptoms of ED, so a man becomes a prisoner to them for the rest of his life. It's not fixing anything. This treatment goes to the root cause. It doesn't involve a pill. It's not painful. There's no medication, no side effects. We're simply getting the blood flowing in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
And Andrew, this procedure is backed by so many different studies and publications. What are some of those?
That's right. It's very heavily vetted technology. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, you can read 50 third-party clinical studies. Cambridge University has vetted this. The Cleveland Clinic, that's one of the biggest hospitals in America. Men's Health Magazine, and so many others. They call it safe and effective. The Cleveland Clinic said that this led to a clinical increase in blood flow. Exactly what a man with erectile dysfunction needs.
And Andrew, it's backed by all of these different studies, but it is still a serious medical condition. But there's hope, especially for people that are watching today. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available.
Well, the traditional methods, like we kind of mentioned, pills and injections, maybe supplements also. There are a lot of men that can't take all of these because of underlying conditions. There are a lot of men that don't want to deal with the side effects, that don't want to simply play a timing game around the pill, not knowing if it will work, when it will work. Here's the big difference. Our treatments can create spontaneity. We all want things to work in the bedroom when the timing is right, on-demand function. That is what our treatments can do. In fact, I think it's the only thing that goes to the root cause, creates spontaneity, and does it without the medication.
I love that. It's giving people back that spontaneity while treating the root cause of ED, not just the symptoms. No pills, no invasive injections or surgery. Andrew, is there a discount or special offer that you have for our viewers today?
We certainly do. If you're ready to put a stop to your ED, even if it's your man that's struggling, get your phone ready. If you call that number on your screen before this segment ends, over the next about 1 minute or 2 minutes, the exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound will be free. And a gift that I think you'll love, it produces immediate results in the bedroom. This is worth hundreds of dollars. Call that number on your screen now, and it's all totally free.
Well, thank you, Andrew. There are so many freebies that you can take advantage of right now. We'll make sure you have access to all that information on our website at studiostl.tv so you can learn more about what Pineview Medical Clinic is doing and offering for all of our greater St. Louis area. Again, we'll post everything on our website, studiostl.tv. Hey, don't go anywhere. We'll have a lot more of the show in just a couple of minutes.